This is me at 63 kilograms, standing at 6 feet tall. As you can see, I've got no muscle whatsoever. I'm skinny. So there's only one way to put on muscle, is to bulk up. So that's what I exactly did, is bulk up. And you can see all I've done is put on a bit of muscle and a lot of fat. In this picture, I'm 86 kilograms. I've been lifting weights for a couple of years. So I've done a good transformation, but as you can see, I put on a lot of fat. Fast forward to COVID, and I got to 93 kilograms. The gyms were closed, I wasn't exercising, so all I put on was another stone of fat. This is me now at 70 kilograms. So as you can see, I've lost a lot of body fat. I'm ripped, I'm shredded, I've got six-pack abs. I've got definition in my chest and biceps. You can actually see the back muscles, look at that beauty. So now I'm going to show you how to bulk up the right way without putting any unnecessary body fat. Don't make the same mistake I did by going in a large calorie surplus. You only need around 100 to 200 calories extra every day than your maintenance calories to build muscle. And the easy fix is cardio. So if you want to eat more, then all you have to do is move more. You need to burn more calories. And that is the number one reason why I got fat, because I upped my calories to around 3,500 every single day when I only needed approximately 2,500 calories. So I would stuff my face every single day and I wasn't doing any cardio. You also need a high protein diet. You want to be eating around 1 gram of protein per 1 pound of body weight. So if you weigh 180 pounds, you want to be eating around 180 grams of protein every single day. I tend to go for the 80-20 diet, where I eat 80% of clean food, get my micronutrients, get my fiber, my protein, and then 20% of junk food. Just because you're on a bulk, even a clean bulk, it's not the end of the world. You can still eat junk food as long as you're eating in moderation. Like I said, 80-20.